Alright fellas, what we got here today is the Rock Island Armory vr60 12 gauge. When you get these, they come standard with 2 5-round magazines. I went out and purchased the 19 round magazine to go with it. It is quite large and long. Some of the targets we're going to be shooting today are going to be ice blocks, which are right here. Which you might say, well, there's different colors. Well, this one is still on a balloon. What I did, I put water in balloons, let them put and freeze them for a couple days. This one, I added food coloring to the water. This is no balloon. This is solid green ice for green food coloring. This one is regular water, solid ice. So this is what we're going to be shooting today. Just stay put. We're going to see what we can do here with this 12 gauge. Here we go. There was only 2 rounds in that magazine. Didn't load it previously. That's that one. Right on to the big boy, 19 round magazine. And there you got it, boys and girls.